every morning, every day at 8 o'clock. This is where we do our mastermind training. And the very purpose of it is not just to discuss strategies, best practices when serving our buyers and sellers clients. Of course we do that. But at the very foundation of this daily conversation, this daily mastermind is to build trust. Right? That's the foundation on any healthy organization, is that a team is not a group of people that work together. That doesn't make it a team. It's like if I stay in a hotel, there's thousands of rooms in the hotel. That is not a team, right? A team is a group of people that trust each other. So how do we build trust each other? Is through the very foundation of it, is through interaction. So we're creating a culture. We're creating a culture intentionally of trust. So this is part of the thing. So enjoy. I want to invite you behind the scenes as every day into our mastermind. Not only how we serve the community on the outside, the buyers and sellers, but how do we interact? How do we serve each other? Right?
Hi, I'm Jane from Rudy's home selling team. Oh, training today was great. Rudy has basically gave us some information on the contest that we're running that is due on Tuesday next week. It's a contest to see who is pretty much one of the best agents around and see how we are using our training to enforce the ultimate offer package to our clients so we can service them better.
Hi, my name is Mika Plattner with Rudy Kusuma home selling team. We just finished the morning training. So every morning we have this training and we're going to have a contest. So it's going to be exciting and everybody going to learn from each other, everybody going to help each other to make us a better team.
I'm Julio Maldonado here with the Remax Titanium. We just finished the morning training and today we are excited because we are about to put a ultimate offer package just to make sure that our buyers are able to win the offer. Because at the end of the day is every time I submit an offer for my buyers, I want to make sure that I said, come back to the buyer and say, congratulations, we just opened escrow because your offer got accepted. Rather than coming back and say, oh, I'm sorry, we are in a backup position and basically you didn't win the bid. So in order to improve that, we are training and we're going to be exchanging ideas on how to make that positive and how to make it happen. Thank you.
Hey everyone, so it's Ben here. So basically every morning we have a training every day from 8 to 9:30. And then this week actually we have a new setup that we're gonna have a competition for certain home in Temple City. Okay, so we need to compete with all of us. Okay, we have more than 20 people here to compete. So the winner will get a prize like I think either Alexander Steakhouse dinner or go to the Disneyland. So that's the first prize. Okay, there will be 2 prizes. So different setup. So if you are not, it doesn't know yet about this contest. So just looking for the recording live stream, and then you can hear all the setup. Okay, good luck.
Hey guys, it's Kaylee from Team New Vision, and today during training we were talking about our ultimate offer competition, which is really cool because what it is all the agents in the office are going to be competing to see which one of our buyers are going to be able to win the home of their dreams. So we're practicing the RPA and our terms and our prices and just trying to get the best deal that we can for our client and win them the home.